This is one of the melons that I've grown, melon plants. It's called Sweetheart. And look at that. Look at that. That's almost the size of a orange now. This melon is the melon Sweetheart, and look at it. Last time I filmed it, it was half of this, and now look, just grown big. There is one melon hidden from the view that's touching the ground. That was also tiny last time. And there is another one here growing, and another one. And yeah, on any of the side shoots, I cut the end of it so the melon on it will grow. Look, there is one. We will see how they will do.